Hello, I'm Tom Kitch, and I like to sing Grace Slick's song from 1967, the band Jefferson Airplane, White Rabbit from the album Surrealistic Pillow. One pill makes you larger, and one pill makes you small. And the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go ask Alice when she's 10 feet tall. When you go chasing rabbits and you know you're going to fall, tell them a hookah smoking caterpillar has given you the call. Call Alice when she was just small. When the men on the chessboard get up and tell you where to go, when you've just had some kind of mushrooms and your mind is moving low, go ask Alice. I think she'll know. When logic and proportion have fallen sloppy dead, when the white knight is talking backwards and the Red Queen is off with her head, remember what the Dormouse said. Feed your head. Feed your head. The Dormouse said, feed your head. If you like my singing, my name is Tom Kitch, Tomkitch. You can write to me on the computer at tomkitchmusic@yahoo.com, all small case letters. You can send me a picture postcard from your hometown or from anywhere on the road to my P.O. Box 81442, San Diego, California, 92138, United States of America.